Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we are going to start chapter 9, that is light. Light is a form of energy, you know? Yes, light is a form of energy because it helps us to see the things. If there would be no light, then we cannot see the things around us. Life would be blind. We cannot see anything which is around us. Even we could not see ourselves also in the mirror. So light, it is a form of energy that help us to see the things around us. You know, sun is the main source of the natural light on the earth. So there are two types of sources. Sources means the things which provide light to us. They are called as sources. So sources of the light are natural and artificial. Natural sources of the light are those natural objects which give off light on their own. They are not made by man. They are natural also, and they are giving their own light also. Like sun is the natural source of light. Other examples are stars and fire. Now you might be thinking moon is also the natural source of light. No. Moon is not the source of light actually, because it is not giving light on its own. It is reflecting the light given by the sunlight. Reflecting means passing the light which is given by the sun to it, and it gives to us. Stars, of course, they are the source of light, but they are very far away from the earth. So they are giving very dim light to us. Some other sources of the light which are natural are some animals like glowworms or fireflies which are there in the jungles. They also emit light when they fly on the night. Sun is the most natural source of the light. It is very essential for our life. During daytime we get sunlight. Imagine what would happen if we will not get any sunlight. Our life would be blind. It would be a total darkness. Even plants would have died, because by using sunlight only they can prepare their own food for by photosynthesis process. If no sunlight, no food, they will die. There is another source of light also, that is artificial source. Artificial source of light are those which are prepared by the men, which are produced by the men. Like torch is there, torch is produced by the men. Bulb is produced by the men. Tube light, lamp, fire, candle, all these things they are produced by the men. So they are the artificial sources of the light. Based on the objects which give out light and the objects which do not give out light, there are two types of the object. There are some objects which give out light. We call it as emit light, like candle, torch, bulb, lamp, a firefly, sun. So they are called as luminous object, the objects which give out light. While there are certain objects which do not give light. Like, have you ever seen light coming from the chair? No. Chair is not giving light actually. Tree, plant is not giving light. Toy is not giving light. Table is not giving light. Your book is not giving light. So there are almost all things around us which are not giving light. Only few things around us give us light. They are luminous. While the one which do not give light, they are non-luminous. So students, in our next lecture we will continue with the properties of the light. Till then, continue studying science. Thank you.